Make una protect Naija as the leaders of tomorrow. Philip Shaibu to NYSC passing out corps members.
Respect members, indeed appreciate you.
Edo State Acting Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu don congratulate the 2021 Batch B Stream 1 National Youth Service Corps members wey dem don complete their compulsory one-year service. Say the government and ogbonge pipo of Edo State dey happy with their contribution to the economic development, especially for education, healthcare, agriculture, social services and rural infrastructure for the state. Shaibu yarn dis one on Thursday for the passing out parade for the NYSC members for Benin City, Edo State. E con tok say di government carry youth development programs for head, na why dem ensure say dem treat di corps members wella. Con advise dem say make dem use everything wey dem don learn from their service year and learn other skills wey go help dem, and make dem continue to be good ambassadors of NYSC and di country. E con congratulate Segun Damilola, Abiri Fadilat Jennifer and Anyanwu Promise wey dem take put hands for ogbonge project for their community.
Fellow compatriots, I am most delighted to preside over this memorable event and to congratulate you as your one-year mandatory national service to your fatherland comes to a glorious end today. The service year, no doubt, must have exposed you to the various culture and tradition of Edo people. This was deliberately done to amplify and underscore our unity in diversity. Therefore, the successful completion of your primary assignment phase of the service year is a proof of your endurance and abiding faith in the unity and progress of our great nation. Your various contributions in the social economic development of Edo State, particularly in the area of education, healthcare, agriculture, social service, rural infrastructure, will be forever cherished by the government and the good people of Edo State and the country at large. May I therefore register my profound appreciation for your tremendous contribution at putting in place numerous community-based development projects. These commendable efforts are in consonance with making Edo great again agenda of our administration. I must not fail to remind you that the labor market is oversaturated globally. As a proactive response, the NYC management introduced the skill acquisition and entrepreneurial development training to groom Nigerian youth into finished labor champions. In line with the vision of our administration, maintain a focus of action that greatness, short and long credit facility to young entrepreneurs with viable ideas translate into meaningful endeavor. I therefore implore you to utilize the various forms of experience gained during the service year and the opportunity available to establish small-scale enterprises, which will not only make you self-employed, but also employer of labor. My dear corps members, as you depart, I advise you to continue to remain good ambassador of NYC scheme and do not allow anybody to use you to settle political, religious, or tribal differences to your own detriment. Let me also commend our esteemed corps employers for their understanding and partnership with us in hosting and nurturing and providing welfare and proper guidance to the corps members while in the field. We say thank you to all of you.
Abiodun Bukola wey be the state coordinator for Edo con hail the state government for wetin dem don do and for the provision of the permanent NYSC orientation camp. She con talk how the program don take contribute to the development of the state, con advise the corps members say make dem practice the values wey dem teach dem and make dem hold the skills acquisition and entrepreneurship development program wey dem call SAID tight, as e go make dem dey independent.
Permit me to seize this opportunity to express our heartfelt appreciation to His Excellency for providing an enabling environment for these youth corps members to contribute their own quota to the service of our fatherland in the past 1 year. Your unparalleled support to the NYSC scheme in the state over the years had been demonstrated in various ways, particularly in the provision of a permanent NYSC orientation camp, which is still ongoing. Your Excellency, distinguished guests, permit me to mention that in line with the NYSC vision and our determination to contribute to the accelerated development of the state in consonance with the Making Edo State Great Again mega agenda of this administration. The scheme, among others, numerous ways, has been able to achieve the following: educational development in the state, in a determination to complement government efforts in the educational development of Edo State. A greater percentage of corps members are posted to government schools, especially in the rural communities across the state. 2. Health initiative for rural dwellers. The NYC management, in the provision of adequate health care to rural dwellers, organized a health outreach every quarter of the year. Recently, under the HIRD program, over 720 people and 59, over 20 people in Suloko and 589 in Abudu communities were given treatment and referral where necessary, and others were sensitized on health issues relating to personal hygiene, drug abuse, etc. Drugs are equally dispensed free of charge to patients during this program. 3. Environmental sanitation. Corps members have been actively participating in the monthly environmental sanitation in the state, specifically during the nationwide NYC National Environmental Sanitation Day. Your Excellency, sir, above notwithstanding, I wish to report that throughout the service year, this batch of corps members generally exhibited high sense of discipline, dedication, resilience, and patriotism, an indication that they have been fully inducted and prepared to tackle the challenges of the wider society. To my distinguished and patriotic corps members, today you join the class of ex-corps members. As you step into the wider world, I urge you to be good ambassadors of the NYSC scheme, wherever you find yourself. I admonish you to put into practice the lesson of discipline, hard work, dedication, teamwork, and honesty, which our country desperately yearns for at this critical time of our development. May I also join you to bring to bear all that you have learned in the Skill Acquisition and Entrepreneurship Development SAID program to become self-reliant. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.